Jitendra Papudippu. I am working as Junior DevOps Engineer at Coding Tutor. Today I will walk you through how to install SonarQube, configure and analysis for code base, quality control and security issues. Let us know what is SonarQube. SonarQube is an open source platform for continuous inspection of code quality, vulnerabilities, inspection and code smell. Now I am in AWS console and I want to launch an instance. I am taking username as SonarQube. I am taking Ubuntu server. And I am taking Ubuntu server 22 edition. Confirm changes. I am taking instance type M7 Flex large, and I am creating new queue pair as SonarQube. One and PPK key, create new pair. It is created, and I am taking storage as 24 GB, and I am launching the instance. Go to instance, start the instance and take public IP address and go for Maven Extreme. Open it and go for session, and I am taking SSH. I am pasting IP address here, and I am typing Ubuntu server. Advanced SSH settings. Here I want to add PPK key, SonarQube 1, and OK. I am taking Maven Extreme, SSH. I am pasting IP address, and I am naming it Ubuntu. I am adding private key. See, then I want to update the instance. Now I am updating it. The prerequisites for the SonarQube is Java, Maven. Now I am installing Java. I am taking 17th version, Java 17. It is asking yes or no. I am typing yes. I am checking Java is installed or not. I have installed Java 17 version. Now I want to install Maven. It is asking yes or no. I have installed Maven. Now I want to install SonarQube. I want to go to OPT folder. I am taking SonarQube link. I am checking whether SonarQube installed or not. It is installed. Now I want to unzip it. So for unzipping, I want to install unzip. It is unzipped. Then I want to rename that SonarQube. As I am renaming it as SonarQube. It is renamed. Now I am creating Sonar user. It is asking password. Enter. You want to use Sonar user and give permissions for this. The command is this: sudo ch1 -r. I have given Sonar, it is user and group. Now I am giving execute permission for this. See here we have got execute permissions for this Sonar user and Sonar user. It is user and group. Now I am switching to Sonar. Now I have switched to Sonar user. Now I am going to bin. Here we can see sonar.sh file. Now we want to start SonarQube. Start. The SonarQube started. Now I want to check the status of SonarQube. It is running. Now I want to give the port number. I want to add a port number for this in AWS console. Go to security groups, edit inbound rules, add rule. The default port number for SonarQube is 9000. I am giving this, and it's custom. Save rules. Go to instance, network, public IP, take new tab, and I am giving you port number. SonarQube is installing, and the default login and password for SonarQube is admin. Login, and it is asking new password. I am giving new password. Update the password. Now I want to create local project. Go to projects and create local project. Create project name, Sonar, and project key also. Then keep next. You should use global setting. Click on that one and create new project. And go to local and generate token name. Just continue. I am taking Java project as a Maven is a build tool. Maven. Then now go to Move Extreme. Now I want to clone the Java code. Now I'm cloning it, taking Java code HTTP URL, copy it, paste it. Now it is running. So documentation came. Go to documentation. In this we have Java code. Now I want to build the target folder. Now I already have target folder. Now to build it, MVN package. The now build is success. Now go to SonarQube. Copy this execute scanner and paste here and run it. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. Now build successful. Then now go to SonarQube. it is passed. In this way, we can analyze the code quality using SonarQube. Thank you for watching my video.